Good morning, everyone. Welcome to 2018. For me, it's just unbelievable. I can't believe it's 2018 already. I mean, it was 2008 not so long time ago, and bam, it's 10 years forward. I can't really comprehend that. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and a start of New Year. And I just thought I would make a short video today, more like a vlog type. Don't know if you'd be interested in seeing something like that, but yeah, just to try it out. I think I will start with the tea actually. Past couple of weeks I've been feeling just so exhausted and sleepy, and I think it's because it's winter. I could really use some help with waking up and, you know, with the burst of energy. Also, do you want to see how glamorous I look? There we go. That's me. Yeah, so day-to-day glamorous look. When it's cold, you don't really care about these things. Just want to be warm. Yeah, so yeah, I might actually just go downstairs to get a coffee. Right, I'll be back in a second. So I have a little drill bits from Dremel. To be honest, it is really annoying because they are attached inside. This is like a gummy thingy that keeps them in one place. And obviously, pulling them out with your fingers is not ideal. You can cut yourself, it's not really good. So I remove them with pliers. It's just super easy. Bam, out. Put them back the same way. Just a little tip. I use mask for drilling too, because I don't want anything flying anywhere near my face, so I am just using full. Oh dear. There we go. About making this sort of videos more often, because I really had fun filming this today. Just a vlog type video. So if you would like to see more and see what I do, then I would be happy to make more. If you have any questions, I could answer them in this sort of videos. Right, I think that will be all for today. Have a good day, have a good week, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.